Yeah, so now this is already served, and now we are going to try this American chopsy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Roy, and today I am at one of my favorite cafe, which is the Cafegram, which is located in Commerce Point in Guwahati. So this cafe is located exactly opposite to the Guwahati Commerce College. You all definitely know that college. So I am here to give a tour of this very beautiful, pretty cafe and the food that we are going to have. So yeah, let me give you a tour of this cafe.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Yeah, so now the dishes are served, and this is the chicken noodles chopsy with an omelette on top of it, which looks so delicious. And the next item is chicken wing, the barbecue chicken wings with onions and capsicum. Presentation is also quite good. And this is the chicken breast sizzler, served with bread, butter rice, cabbage, onions and fries and some other veggies I can see. And this is the Oreo milkshake, which we have almost finished because it was too hot. And this is the secret sauce of this cafe. And yeah, so now we will just start tasting the dishes one by one, and I will let you know how is the taste, not everything.
But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Yeah, so now this is already served, and now we are going to try this American chopsy. This is the chicken barbecue wings. Very tasty. now I'm done with these noodles, and now I'm going to try this sizzler. Let me take some rice. Quite good. It has smoky flavor and foods are really very good. So I would suggest everyone to come in this cafe and try it out. Yeah, so this is how we have spent our day in this cafe, and the food we ate today was very delicious and very good, and this cafe is quite pocket friendly. This cafe is located nearby the colleges, so it's good for the students to come for. And even I remember when I was a student, I used to frequently come to this cafe. And also this today's food was also sponsored by this cafe, so which is very good for them.